Chief, I just made the logo you request me. Here. Yeah, not bad. But I don't like this color. It don't suit with the values of our company. Okay. Chief, I just made the logo you request me. Here. Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. You know, if I were you, I would put this color instead of this one because it suits more with the values of our company. It's exactly the same message. But which one is the most pleasant to hear? At work or even in your daily life, it's very essential to have a positive communication. Why? Because positive communication can help you keep your relationship on a long term or create more relationship with other people. Perhaps you notice this, but a negative communication, even not aggressive, can impact your mood. And that's why a lot of people prefer to avoid who grumble. Indeed, even if you can't notice this, your brain can detect negative terms and it can impact your mood and tires. So if you want smooth relationship, you have to make efforts to apply positive communication, both oral and written. When you send message or when you chat online or when you send an email, for example, because it's not easy as we expect. It's very difficult because you have to permanently focus to avoid negative terms such as not, but, mistake, fault, bad, for example. To practice, try to define terms you would define as negative and try to replace them by terms you would define as positives. I will show you some examples. Hello. Oh, an appointment for today with Mr. John Gregoire? Sorry, but Mr. John Gregoire isn't here today and there's no place in this agenda. May I propose you next week? For the next week, he will not be available Wednesday and Friday. Hello? Oh, it's for an appointment for today with Mr. John Gregoire? My apologies, sir. Mr. John Gregoire is full today. May I propose you next week? For the next week, he can be available Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. So the secret to master the positive communication is to train every day. So you have to practice, then you can improve your communication and gain some smooth relationship. So this is the end of this video. So thank you very much for watching. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, put a like, share this video to your friends, family and colleagues, and put your tips on the comment below because your tips can interest me, but it can also interest some colleagues who's looking for how to improve the communication. So I see you later. Bye bye.